If you're going through tough times, perhaps you've had a breakup, you are in between jobs, or just feeling really down and depressed, how do you actually let go and trust the universe that your dream life is coming? Today I will share 3 steps on how to let go and trust the universe, and make sure to stay until the last step, as that one is about how you can get out of this rut, this depression or tough time that you're going through faster. Step 1 is realizing that everything that is happening to you, whether it's something positive or negative, is for your higher good in some way. My favorite quote from Neil Donald Walsh that came from God is, "I have sent you nothing but angels." So either it could be to burn off some karma, or it could be a spiritual life lesson. For example, most of my 20s, I was single and I was really struggling to get a boyfriend. I was always kept in the gray zone by the guys I was dating. And that was really frustrating to me because I knew that I had a soulmate coming, a person who was reserved for me. So where was he? And in my late 20s, I finally met him, and we're still together 5 years on. But if I hadn't had that period, that decade of being lonely, of being by myself, I wouldn't have learned how to be happy on my own and how to feel complete on my own. And that made sure that when I met him, I didn't have a desperate energy, and that was really attractive to him. And he asked me on the second day after meeting me if I wanted to be his girlfriend. Step 2 is to remember that nothing is permanent. You might be going through some shitty times now, but you will get out of it. My boyfriend has been going through a tough time with some bacteria, and it's been antibiotic resistant, so that has been really tough period for him. But he was trusting the universe, he was following the signs, and his dad recommended this herbalist. And she has been creating this tincture for him that is healing him now, and he's feeling so much better. So your guides will guide you on how to get out of it once you have completed the lesson. So follow that guidance, take inspired action towards it. What can help is writing this in the journal. Every time you see a sign, write it in the journal and how you can take action on it. So remember, every experience benefits you in some way. Nothing is permanent. You will get out of this. And thirdly, follow the signs from your spirit guides. I hope this helped, and let me know in the comments if it resonated.